motion-activated power switch hidden spy camera is perfect for home office security. Record the camera enters into standby mode after power is on. When the human indicator detects motions, the yellow indicator flashes one time and then begins video recording automatically for 3 minutes. Then it stops to save the video and enters into standby. It will keep this process time and time again. This motion-activated power switch hidden camera is a digital video recorder for home security. High-quality video can be recorded and saved together with sounds. It is easy to operate and owns high concealment, favored by the majority of the users. To operate, open the cover and insert microSD card. Turn on the device. The yellow indicator will flash for 2 seconds, which means it has begun recording. To mount on the wall, please use the screws included with the device.